So this is a prototype tube magazine for silly shells. As I've previously mentioned, silly shells, these guys, are sized to feed or slide around in 1.5-inch OD plunger tube, which is the same stuff that Cowlburns and Talon-Claws use, as well as stuff like the Slab and Alchemist and Wild-style Shell Pistol uses as its plunger tube. So these shells slide smoothly inside this, which means that you can have a clear magazine tube for a tube-fed shotgun. So you got the shell, and you just jam it in there. The magazine tube has some drum springs, you can see there and there. And then, yeah, it just pushes the shell right back out. And of course, you can load multiple silly shells. Problem is, since this is just, you know, a tube with the follower in it, there's nothing to stop these from flying out. So, yeah. So you could extend this further off the front. There's plenty of space left with these drum springs length. So you could extend this, I don't know, like out to here and have, I don't know, 5 silly shells if you wanted. But, yeah. So in a blaster, this would have some sort of stopper at the end to stop shells from flying out uncontrolled. But, yeah, feeds just like that. And of course, the shells can feed the other direction as well. If you wanted to have the tips facing this direction instead of that direction, works fine. So there you go. That is the tube magazine for silly shells. Pretty good.